Today, we're diving deep into the latest island modular kitchen designs for 2026, where we'll explore seating ideas, clever storage solutions, and layouts that are both smart and stylish. The classic central island. The most iconic design is the central island placed right in the heart of the kitchen. This design balances the entire layout and gives the space a natural flow. Having an island in the center makes moving between the stove, sink, and refrigerator effortless, turning everyday cooking into a smooth, enjoyable process. In 2026, central islands are being designed in both sleek, modern finishes and rustic, natural styles. From clean marble tops to textured wooden finishes, these islands can blend into any home's personality. Whether you want something chic and contemporary or warm and inviting, the central island remains a timeless choice. Islands with built-in seating. One of the biggest advantages of modular kitchens is how easily they blend functionality with comfort. Built-in seating is a design element that families adore. Imagine a row of stylish bar stools tucked neatly under the island, ready for quick breakfasts, evening coffee, or casual conversations with friends. This idea transforms the kitchen from just a cooking zone into a social hub. Parents can prepare meals while kids do homework right next to them, or friends can gather around with drinks while dinner is being made. It's this blend of togetherness and practicality that makes seating islands a favorite for 2026. The waterfall countertop look. If there's one design that screams luxury, it's the waterfall island. Here, the countertop material flows seamlessly down the sides, creating the illusion of one continuous block of marble, granite, or quartz. It looks bold, sleek, and dramatic, instantly catching the eye when you enter the kitchen. In modern homes, waterfall islands often double as a showpiece. Pair them with pendant lights above and minimal furniture around, and you'll have a design that feels like it belongs in a high-end magazine. Beyond the look, the waterfall edge also protects the island sides from wear and tear, making it practical as well as beautiful. Compact and space-saving islands. Not every home has the luxury of a large kitchen, but that doesn't mean you can't enjoy the benefits of an island. Compact modular islands are specially designed for small apartments and kitchens, giving homeowners extra workspace and hidden storage without making the room feel cramped. In 2026, designers are getting creative with foldable extensions, movable islands on wheels, and slim designs that maximize space. These compact islands prove that even in the smallest spaces, good design can make a huge difference. They make everyday cooking easier while giving the kitchen a stylish focal point. Dual-level designs. One of the smartest modular ideas is the dual-level island. Here, the island has two surfaces, one lower for cooking and chopping, and one higher for dining or entertaining. This design separates work from leisure while keeping everything in one place. Dual-level islands are especially popular in open-plan homes where the kitchen blends into the living area. While you cook, guests can sit comfortably at the raised section, chatting without getting in your way. It's the perfect balance of functionality and hospitality. Storage-focused islands. In modular kitchen design, storage is king. The island isn't just a countertop, it's a hidden treasure chest. Islands in 2026 are being designed with deep pull-out drawers, corner shelves, hidden pullouts, and cabinets that open on both sides. This makes them incredibly efficient. Heavy pots and pans, appliances like mixers, and even pantry items can be stored within the island itself. The result is a clutter-free kitchen where everything has a place. A well-organized island not only makes cooking easier, but also keeps the entire space looking polished and elegant. Cooking islands with integrated hobs. For passionate cooks, nothing feels better than having the stove built right into the island. This design places the cooking zone at the heart of the kitchen, allowing the cook to face their family or guests instead of the wall. It's both practical and social. Imagine preparing a meal while chatting with friends sitting at the island. In 2026, these islands are often paired with sleek overhead chimneys and smart appliances, creating a modern cooking station that feels like a performance space. Bold color statements. Color is playing a major role in kitchen design trends. While classic whites and neutrals remain popular, 2026 is bringing in bold choices for islands. Think deep navy, forest green, or even matte black. These rich tones make the island the star of the kitchen, contrasting beautifully with lighter walls or cabinets. Adding bold colors doesn't just bring personality. It also adds depth and drama to the room. Whether you go with a vibrant centerpiece or subtle muted tones, color is a powerful way to customize your modular island. Minimalist white and gray islands. On the opposite end of the spectrum, minimalist white and gray islands are still timeless. These shades create an open, airy feel, reflecting natural light and making the space look larger. Handle-free cabinets and smooth surfaces complete the futuristic vibe. In 2026, many homeowners are combining matte gray finishes with stone countertops for a sophisticated, understated look. This minimalist approach works perfectly in modern apartments where simplicity and elegance go hand in hand. The social hub. One of the biggest transformations in kitchen design is how islands have become social spaces. No longer just a cooking surface, they are now designed to host conversations, family activities, and even casual dining. Think of evenings where the whole family gathers around the island. Someone chopping vegetables, someone sipping coffee, kids working on crafts or homework. This is the new heart of the home, where the kitchen becomes the center of family life. Rustic and industrial touches. While sleek, modern finishes are popular, there's also a growing love for rustic and industrial-inspired islands. Wood tops, exposed metal frames, and textured finishes bring warmth and character to the kitchen. Rustic islands feel inviting and cozy, while industrial ones create an edgy, contemporary vibe. Both styles are versatile and blend well with open layouts, giving homeowners a chance to make their kitchens reflect their personal taste. Smart technology islands. The future of kitchens lies in smart design, and islands are no exception. In 2026, many islands will include built-in charging stations, pop-up sockets, mini fridges, or even touch control appliances. Some even have smart lighting systems underneath that change with the time of day. These features make life more convenient and bring a futuristic feel to the home. Imagine charging your phone while cooking or adjusting your island lighting with a voice command. It's not just stylish, it's practical. The Statement Luxury Island. Finally, for those who love a touch of grandeur, oversized luxury islands are stealing the spotlight. With marble waterfall countertops, dramatic pendant lighting, and seating for the whole family, these islands feel more like art pieces than furniture. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor ideas, style updates, and interior inspiration. Thanks for watching.